Don't worry, bro, because here will be your home tonight. So this is the fully modified Ford Ranger. It is so charming, so attractive, just like me. So the classic C-shaped headlights plus the customized searchlight, they're as bright as and of course you got this tremendous AT tires. Very powerful, very powerful. So therefore you can have this massive space on the back of the trunk. And you can have, I think 5 AK-47 inside. The tent on the top so you can feel fresh here. Look this. I think I told you before, Elon, this is the interior that you should have for Tesla. But what matters is, by this car, you won't be homeless again. So here we are, and follow race car.